So my mom came visiting, and on this particular Sunday afternoon we got talking. We caught up on all memories, stories and laughter. And from nowhere, this woman just said, "I am craving egusi soup. Can you make some for lunch?" Well, everyone that knows me knows that cooking is my thing. So without thinking twice, I rolled off my sleeve and off to the kitchen to cook some mouth-watering egusi soup for my mom, just the way I know she likes it. Hello kitchen lovers, welcome to my kitchen my ways, where I share not just recipes but memories and stories that makes cooking a beautiful experience. If today is your first time coming across my channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. Please subscribe to join the family, like, share, comment and turn on the bell icon so you get notified when next I post a video like this. Now let's go make some egusi soup for my mom. So for today's recipe, I'll be using smoked goat meat, some stock fish, some smoked catfish, some ugu leaf, palm oil, pepper mix, of course the egusi, onions, seasoning cubes, salt, crayfish powder, so in a clean pot I went in with my palm oil. Don't do too much, say egusi to get oil, and so I just put enough. Went in with my onions and allowed it to fry for some few minutes. Now went in with my pepper mix like this, covered and allowed it to cook. After about 5 to 7 minutes, I go in with my goat meat, like so. My stock fish and smoked catfish. Again, you can use any fish of choice and also any protein of choice. With some water, just enough to cook it. Mix, mix, mix. Some salt to taste. Seasoning cube. Again, cover and allow to cook. Now I'm back. Our soup base is cooking. While that was cooking, I mixed the egusi with water enough to make it into a paste, and I dropped it inside like so. Just drop them in lumps like this. Covered and allowed it to cook. Come back to it, you can see how our soup is already looking. Went in with the crayfish powder. Next. Went in with my ugu leaf. So we take good mix. So that the leaf wasn't enough, so I went in with more. You can just do mix, mix, mix. cover and allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes because I don't want the leaf to be too dull. And there we have it. Our egusi soup is ready. See how yummy this is looking, how beautiful it is, how inviting this is. I dish it out and served with semovita. You can serve with any swallow of your choice. This is it, our egusi is ready. It's time to serve grandma. So the kids presented it to their grandma. Grandma ate, enjoyed, gave it a thumbs up. You can see grandma enjoying her meal. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.